Starship 10 supports two interfaces for MAS 9200. This video will review the Starship Link interface, which mimics the interface previously available with Starship 9. V Technologies has also developed a new solution that accesses the MAS data directly using the Business Object Interface framework. This interface introduces a new workflow where shipping is instantiated outside of MAS. It also allows for tighter integration of line item detail, which can be used to automate international and LTL shipments. More information regarding this new interface is available online or through our sales department. I have the MAS shipping data entry screen initialized. Notice that I also have the Starship client running and minimizing the taskbar. Please note that it is required for the Starship client to be running prior to clicking the Starship button in shipping data entry. Let's begin by creating the shipping entry in MAS. The process will be exactly the same as it was in the past. Select the order, complete line distribution, review the order details, then click the Starship button. Let's do that now. Clicking on the Starship button in Shipping Data Entry will automatically launch the Starship client interface and populate order and customer-specific details on the screen. Since the ship via translation automatically determines the mode in which Starship is triggered, that is parcel or freight, it is important to define the translations correctly for each MAS company and shipping setup options. The new ship screen also provides an overview of the document, the method of transportation, the sender, and the recipient in the left pane. Starship 10 includes an address validation feature which eliminates unforeseen accessorials due to incorrect address information. In this case, the recipient ship to address has been validated successfully. Address validation options can be changed in the Starship Preferences setup to validate on process or not to validate at all. We will then switch to the Packaging tab to enter package level detail. From here, I will ship two packages, the first at 5 pounds and the second at 10 pounds for a total of 15 pounds. Let's proceed by adding the first package. 5 in the actual weight field. You have several options to add additional packages. By clicking the next arrow as you did in the past, by clicking the plus sign while in the packaging view, by clicking the repeat button, or by clicking the enter key if your cursor is in the actual weight field. We will use the next arrow to add the second package. If you have an integrated electronic scale, the weight can be automatically read from there for the selected package in the packaging view. At the bottom, you'll notice the new ship screen also includes a snapshot of packages in one view. This provides you with a quick overview of packages details at a glance. From the Rate Shop tab, I will click the Rate Shop button to determine how to ship this package. You can see the sender account against which the shipment was rated and the estimated delivery date and time. You could sort from here by total business days or total days if you need to get the package to the recipient in a specific amount of time. You could also compare prices for all services. For the purposes of this session, I will select UPS Ground. We will then switch to the Charges tab to verify the calculated charges for the shipment. Notice that UPS shows the shipment list and negotiated rate. Starship 10 obtains the rate directly from UPS, giving you access to the most accurate negotiated rate, including any volume discounts. For this particular shipment, there is an applied freight rule increasing the rate of the shipment by $5. Let's now finalize the shipment. To process this shipment, simply click the Ship Process button or the F5 hotkey on your keyboard. Starship will now print the shipment labels, and mass will be updated with the freight charges and tracking number for the shipment. This concludes the demo. Other videos are available for topics such as international shipping, the new mass interface, and edit and delete in shipments.